Here's a great deal on a 2007 Lincoln Town Car. With just over 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Lincoln prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including power trunk closing assist, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, rear parking sensors, and power front seats. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Lincoln also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.